bought 4 of these BF Goodrich 285 R16 KM3 mud terrain tyres with deep dish black steel wheels. So I'm going to paint them up, paint the lettering, and yeah, they're quite nice. Bit wider than the wheels that came with it, and these will last a long time for the new owner. So yeah, let's get to it. Pretty cool. So yeah, the writing's a bit yellow, but that's okay, because I'm gonna pretty much touch them up before I sell it, essentially. So I'm gonna leave them on there for a while. It means I can clean these ones up that I've taken off and sell them on, see if I can recoup a little bit of the money I've spent on this thing, and then one by one I will put another layer of the white wall paint on the lettering just to make it really pop, and at the same time as I do that, I can clean up all these hubs, take all the grease off, give them a nice coat of black paint, and I'll probably put some new nuts on there as well. So yeah, it was pretty tough to get these things off. They were really difficult, even with the guy having loosened them the other day at the garage. I still had to go to B&Q and buy this this big bar to give me some extra leverage with the spanner thing. So, but yeah, I got them off eventually, and yeah, they stick out a lot. These are proper off-road tires. You can go anywhere with these. So yeah, looks pretty mean if you ask me. Pretty damn tasty. Yeah, so I want to sell these wheels, and I'm going to try and maybe try and flog these old wings, try and clean them up a bit. And I've got the original bonnet which I'm trying to sand down and fix up and sell on. The goal is to get enough funds together to buy a roll bar for the back, which I think will just look pretty badass and kind of complete it. And I've also got some side steps on order. I was going to get some of the running board side steps, but yeah, I'm just going to get like you can get just single steps, which actually is kind of what Landrover sold them with when they were first released, and they do the job well. I put the sideboards or side steps, the longer side steps that I got on eBay on the last Defender, and they didn't stick out that far, and they didn't come down that far either, so they didn't really do a good job, and they rusted up pretty quick. They rusted up real quick. So what I've done is I've got some points from Paddock Spares. It's a website where I bought a lot of my parts, and I'm going to get some side steps because I need them. It's got a 2-inch lift kit, and these big tires, big wheels, makes it don't want to pull a groin getting in. So yeah, that's it. Bye.